All right, guys, since I've already mounted this light and I've already figured out that I'm going to mount the second the second LED light down here via kitty bar, I was wondering what you guys thought about installing these, which I showed you in the opening picture, either on the neck, the front, or to accompany the side LEDs here by incorporating it to the side panels. Just kind of want to figure out what you guys think I should do. Give me some ideas. I mean, I can even mount them on here, maybe put a protective casing kind of just following this light here. I can set one up here, but it's probably going to be a waste otherwise. So, you know, share your thoughts in the comments, guys. Give me some feedback. I mean, this is, you know, I'm looking for you guys to be more involved in my choices here. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install these. I just got these delivered from the vendor that I bought these in, and as I said, these guys are fantastic. They sent them via DHL. I got them 3 days after they put them up in the air, and I'm ready to install them, and they should be like brand new once I do that. I will say the new ones that I got seem much better quality. Even just tapping them, they sound much more beefier than the originals. I think they realized it wasn't going to be cost effective long term to continue shipping these to people while they were under warranty, so they beefed these up. So I'll be mounting those next. I have them upstairs in my apartment. I don't want to go up there to show you guys right now, but I'll be posting that soon enough. And it's it comes as this and this one unit. By the way, guys, I just want to give you guys an alert. Do not buy these off eBay. I know they're going for the 4-pack of these for 50 bucks. I'm gonna be 100% transparent with you guys. These for the whole piece, this and this, is $333. This is what these would be sold at online at wholesale at $333 per. So that's a total of about $13, and they're selling for $50 on Hero Rider USA. I'm okay with a little bit of markup. That's grotesque markups. It's not a scooter, it's an accessory for a scooter, and one that's a common broken thing. And they knew this, and I guarantee you they're not selling you the new ones that I have. They're selling you the old ones, and I'll be doing a comparison of those in my next video. So guys, leave me some feedback here. Let me know where you guys want to see these lights mounted.